I have just wrapped up all the three classes in the morning. The time is 9:21 in the morning and it's July 29, 2021. And after wrapping up the classes, I thought I should show you something. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I want to show you this. First of all, take a look at this. Although it's drizzling outside and you can see those floating clouds. So the reason for these floating clouds is it's a month of Shravana. In Hindi and in English it lasts from July 15 to August 15 usually. So in these 30 days in the month of Shravana, the rainy season or the rain is at its peak, and in these 30 days approximately 25 to 26 days you will see just rain and rain outside. So although it's drizzling at the moment, but you never know, at any moment the drizzling can turn itself into a downpour. So it may rain heavily at any moment. So that's what I was trying to show you, because when I wrapped the classes, I heard that rain sound, the sound of the raindrops.